Okay, so this video is for any chefs out there. So I kind of got some instant noodles. I hard boiled some eggs and then I peeled the shells and marinated them in some soy sauce for about 15 minutes. I uh, cooked the noodles and with soy sauce added to that. I know there's supposed to be like some chives or whatever, but I'm too poor for that right now. So also I didn't add the packet if anyone's wondering. I just packet less. It tastes fine. The eggs are nice. Um, but yeah, if any Japanese people are watching, are you offended or what are your opinions on this?